Post-independence, overseas Indians have served as a bridge of friendship and cooperation between India and their adopted homes abroad. This was the remark of our Prime Minister in the recent days. So the government is focusing much on NRIs to do some economic interaction with the country that they have been with. But in the recent budget, Finance Minister has not done much to the NRI community, though he has remarked that India is looking for FDI, FII and ECBs to infuse funds to take care of the current account deficit of about $75 billion. When we look at the features of this budget, NRIs, possibly one feature that can benefit some of the NRIs is that investment in first home in India. An additional deduction of 1 lakh rupees has been proposed in respect of interest paid by an individual on housing loan. This additional deduction is subject to various conditions like the cost of the house should not exceed 40 lakhs and the loan amount should not exceed rupees 25 lakhs. The recent provision in this budget is one on interest on housing loans. An additional amount of rupees 1 lakh has been introduced for interest payment on housing loans for the first time house owners. That is, if the cost of the house is less than rupees 40 lakhs and the loan is less than 25 lakhs, an interest amount of up to 1 lakh will be allowed for the assessees or the taxpayers. And they should not have own any other house property. This may be more useful for those kids who go abroad after their education. They go there and earn money, and when they come back it will be useful. Investment in first home in India. The latest provision, section 80E, has been introduced by the Finance Minister in the recent budget, which talks about interest on housing loan. An additional amount of rupees 1 lakh has been allowed as deduction for those assessees who invest in a house property for the first time. The cost of the house should not exceed rupees 40 lakhs and the loan should not exceed rupees 25 lakhs. And this should be the first home. These are the conditions in which this provision is allowed. This is a new provision. This may be helpful for the taxpayers who have recently gone abroad and who are NRIs. They can plan to have their first house in India and avail the tax benefits. This is in addition to the existing provisions of, say, income from house property up to rupees 1.5 lakhs for the minus income for the income from house self-occupied property and unlimited amount of interest for the income from house property where the property is let out. And as far as the baggage rules are concerned, there has been some relaxation. For the male members, a baggage allowance of rupees 50,000 up to 10,000 to 50,000 has been made from 10,000 to 50,000, and for female members it has been increased to 1 lakh. So those who want to plan their gifts when the NRIs, when they come back, they can plan it out. These are the recent provisions introduced in addition to some of the following provisions that we will be discussing later.